Now, the court has extended orders stopping the ongoing doctors' strike and directed both parties to show good faith and engage in constructive dialogue.
This comes as doctors and the government locked horns over modalities of engaging in talks.
The government has maintained negotiations will only resume after doctors return to work, while doctors say they will only discuss a return to work formula after implementation of their irreducible minimums.
Our reporter Abdiaziz Hashim has the details on a day the health CS and Nakhumicha shuffled between the Senate and the National Assembly to explain measures in place to end the strike that has crippled the public health sector.
The doctors' strike, which is now in its second month with no signs of let-up, was a subject of a court process on Tuesday. Justice Brian Ongaya issuing a ruling following a case in which Kenyatta National Hospital sued the Doctors' Union KMPDU over the strike, extended orders stopping the strike.
So we cannot say we have suspended the strike with a return to work agreement. The orders the judge gave were self-effecting. And to that point, we know that those ones were complied with. Yes.
Further, he ordered doctors in all level 3, 4 and 5 hospitals, which include National Referral Hospital, to provide health services.
We had provided minimum services before, and we had given directions on that, but the government had refused because they had no plans.
Justice Ongaya also cautioned against intimidation and harassment of union officials and doctors, adding any disciplinary measures against them shall cease forthwith.
And therefore, we believe that will be a pathway to have resolving the issues that we raised in our strike notice. That's number one.
And as the judiciary was giving direction, this was the situation at Parliament buildings. Health Cabinet Secretary Susan Nakhumicha was taken to task by senators over the ongoing strike in the morning. In the afternoon, she was before the National Assembly to respond to similar concerns. During her grilling, Nakhumicha threw a spanner into the works, stating that the 2017 CBA expired in 2021, a statement that did not augur well with the KMPDU officials.
The ministry is also ready to negotiate on the CBA, that is the new CBA, because the CBA under KMPDU, it lapsed in 2021. But we are aware that from the Ministry of Labour is that once a CBA lapses, until a new one is signed, that is when it comes into effect.
So while the CBA is existing, we have not negotiated any other. No, the CBA has to be implemented and must run like that.
She further informed legislators that 1,270 diploma clinical officer interns had been posted, and posting letters of 1,210 medical pharmacists and dental officers were out. Abdiaziz Hashim for Prime Edition.